Assalamu alaikum. This year I have participated in all 5 subjects of Olympiad and NSTSE, that is National Science Talent Search Examination. And by grace of Almighty, I have been rewarded in all 6 examinations. Till now, I have received medal and certificates of 3 subjects of Olympiad. So, let me unbox the medal.
So, here is the box. Here it is written SOF. That is Science Olympiad Foundation. Here, world's biggest Olympiad. Here, SOFIEO, class topper rank 1, British Council. IEO, SOF International English Olympiad. www.softworld.org. Inspiring young minds. Now let's remove the medal from the box. It has beautiful tricolor ribbon. The medal is golden in color. It is written class topper rank 1, and that is my rank. On other side, British Council, IEO, SOF International English Olympiad 2019-20. Let's unbox the second medal. It is of Science Olympiad. It is also golden in color. Rest details are same, except it is written here SOF National Science Olympiad. And here is my third medal, International General Knowledge. Here also I have won first rank. 3 medals are yet to come. The first one is International Mathematics Olympiad. In this exam, I scored 39 out of 40 and my international rank is 2nd. Hence, I will be receiving International Silver Medal and gift worth ₹1000. 5th award is of National Cyber Olympiad. Here I scored 39 out of 40. My international rank is 3rd and I will get International Bronze Medal and gift worth ₹1000. The 6th exam I appeared was NSTSE. In this exam, I scored 45 out of 50. Here I achieved state rank 1 across all union territories. The results can be seen in official website of Unified Council. Next year also, I will appear in all these examinations and will work hard to get international rank in all examinations.